All right, guys, quick little tool haul video here. Get the light on. So I picked up these little flip sockets. They're 1/4" drive. This one's by SUNEX. So this is a 8x10 millimeter. Part number 80810. So one side is 8, the other is 10, and these are a 12-point drive. This one's by CTA. Part number 4226, 12 and 14. Again, 12-point drive. And then this one is 13 by 15, part number 4227, 13 and 15 millimeter, and 12-point drive. Now, there are some sets online, but which sells, I guess, like a 4 or 5 piece one, but they sell odd sizes, like you know, sizes that you wouldn't normally use, 11, 16, and so on. So I didn't want to get those. That's why I bought these separately. It would have been cheaper for the other set. I may end up getting it just to have it, but this is mainly what I just want. So you just get the extension, just like that. And obviously you can use a shorter extension and put on your ratchet or whatever. So this is mainly just going to be for, you know, tool tote or on the go or whatever. That way it's less to carry and easier to keep track of. So obviously 3 sockets instead of 6. So that's the reason I got these. So there you go. Just wanted to share that with y'all. That's what it looks like. If we can get the focus. So really easy to use. And these are impact rated, of course. So, all right, guys. Have any questions? Leave them below.